Hey, Divine One, I want to share with you something important about how your inner child might be preventing you, 222 on my clock, by the way, from living the life of your dreams. We all have this really powerful conscious mind. It's the universal consciousness that every single one of us is made from. It's the consciousness that allows us to create our entire realities. When you live unconscious or from the wounding patterns of your inner child, your trauma, your past experiences, what you're doing is you're creating more of it. But when you can train yourself to not live by the past or what you're feeling, but instead be able to embody the feelings you desire and create realities that you want in your mind first with the full belief and knowing that it will be yours, that's when you shift everything. The reason that it's so much easier said than done is because a lot of us do have trauma. We do have these stories that live inside of us. And so we sit here and we read these affirmations and we listen to this music and we do all of these things. And we're like, okay, I'm wealthy, I'm healthy, I have my lover, everything is perfect. And then your inner child is in here saying, no, that's not true. I feel safer when I'm poor. I feel safer when I'm unhealthy. I feel safer when I have unhealthy love because this is what I know. And really at the core of all of that is I feel bad. I feel unworthy. I feel less than. And so you're out here and your current mind is thinking all of these things, but your inner body is still living in the past. So what you have to start doing is number one, babysitting every single thought that goes on in here. And number two, through a state of meditation and inner consciousness, allowing your body, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day, although I do recommend an hour, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day, being in a state where you can actually feel in your body what it would feel like to live that new life of your dreams, what it would feel like to have the wealth, what it would feel like to have the health, what it would feel like to have the perfect partner. It's sinking in a deep gratitude in your body, feeling it. When I do this, my eyes are pouring. I am just in the most uplifted gratitude for all that's about to happen because I'm teaching my body that it is possible. And then all day I babysit my mind. Any of those old thoughts from the past that come up, I pause and I recenter and I replace them with better ones. It's through mental rehearsal, feeling it in my body and training my mind to create this reality that I have all that I have now. I went from overcoming cancer and domestic violence as an only parent to living a life of my dreams. And you can too. You have to start training your mind and body to believe it though. So practice today and keep following me for more tips on how to reparent this inner child so you can live the life of your dreams. Breathe deep and plan on miracles.